Okay, people, look at this. This is the Courtney Campbell Causeway at night. You guys jealous of me or what? And you have no idea, this breeze is out of this world. It looks like the last time I was here it was a high tide. Which, as you, like I was here last time, I couldn't even walk on this part that I'm at. I'm not gonna walk too much on it, because I can't really see all that good. Wow. Amazing. This is what you do when you live in Florida and you just want some quiet time to yourself. Look at those palm trees over there. Oh man, this is awesome. So I hope you guys will be in it, you know, on my YouTube and Facebook. I hope you enjoy these little nature walks. I kind of do it for, cause I have a couple, there goes Tampa way back there. Then those lights are St. Petersburg. But I do this for like, cause I have a couple friends that are from Florida that they live in Ohio now. So every time I do these videos, she's like, oh my God, it's so good to see home. And I know the feeling, so that's the main reason I do it still. Mom's back there somewhere. Mom, you remember, hey Jeannie. Hey Jeannie. When I'm looking at you, you're looking at me. Why are you looking like that? Mom, talking that old lady voice. You gotta do the old lady opera voice. Oh God. To spare her, I just went ahead and turned off. All right, people.